For the love of cars, we are back. We have made it to station number 3. As I told you when we were starting out that we are going to visit 3 or rather 5 stations. We are already at station number 3. Una notice mpaka nimetoa jacket, baridi imeisha. In the morning now as when we were at Garden Estate, it was kind of chilly, but now we are good. We tuko sawa. My name is Magari and welcome. This is SpaceYaMagari. Remember, here we only talk about what makes us excited. That is the car topic, automotive conversations, and that's what we do at SpaceYaMagari. So what we are bringing you here today is another amazing vehicle. We've already seen a Subaru Legacy by somebody all the way at Garden Estate. We've also seen a Nissan B12 for project car by somebody who's doing it, and we have just met them at Townace. And now today I'm about to show you another one. This is an amazing project. I'm sure there is a lot of stories about this vehicle as well. We would want to know about how it comes when it comes to a driver who's driving diesel cars. You know, diesel cars are the only cars, you know, just when you switch on the ignition, you can tell hiyo ni diesel imeguruma. So I have a Townace, a Toyota Townace by a guy called Munene. A very beautiful car here. So Munene, please welcome to Space. Niaje? Uko fiti?
Niko fine. Naitwa Munene. Twitter handle real Munene Jnr. Hapa tuko na gari Townace, si wengi wako nayo. Hii nickname yake ni Mamba. It's acquired like 1 year ago. It's a 2-liter diesel engine producing 130 horsepower. I know people don't know about that.
You know your number.
And the torque is 181 Nm.
So yours is a diesel.
Yes.
You've been with this vehicle for say a year.
For a year.
Yeah. And you're calling it Mamba.
Mamba.
Why Mamba?
The vehicle is found in the village most of its time. Like kama saizi imekam Nairobi, ina feel
imetembea mtaa.
Imetembea mtaa.
So inakuwa gani uko home.
Yeah.
And it's a survivor.
It's a survivor.
No problems there whatsoever.
Yeah. It's a rear wheel drive. Does business with the vehicle.
Okay, there you have it. That's why hii lazima ibebe. Na hii ndo unaita Mamba.
Yeah, inaitwa Mamba.
Kazi yake ni kufanya business.
Yes.
And it handles well.
It handles pretty well. Yeah.
Anything exciting that you have that you can talk about this car? Probably kitu mnapanga kufanya ama mmefanya in this one. Kitu imewafanyia mkasema kitu hii gari imetufanya ni mbaya. Anything?
We can't report any issues with the Townace.
Nothing.
But
it's been running well for the last 1 year you guys have had it.
Yeah.
You want to show us what is under the hood?
You can see.
Let's see what's under the hood.
Injector hapa. Diesel filter ndio hiyo hapo. Engine oil filter yetu ndio hiyo hapo. And we have the 4-cylinder engine inline. It's the inline. Yeah.
The beautiful Townace. It's a diesel. It is driven by the man Munene. Yeye na old man wanajua vile wanafanyanga na hii gari mpaka wameipea jina inaitwa Mamba. We've met them at Ruby's Ojijo and my friend courtesy of Ruby's and Castro. We have to make it at least. Tuone kama tunaweza ibadilishia DNA kidogo. So from Ruby's and Castro, we have something for you.
Nashukuru Bob, nashukuru Ruby's and Castro na SpaceYaMagari pia.